Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. As you all might know, myself Rahman Fasihi, the HOD of Chemistry Department for the renowned institution of Time Collegiate. We had this commendable thought of establishing a workshop centered on chemistry precisely, which mainly addressed to the queries of children who are hoping to appear in the board examinations. 4 sigma points were highlighted when in the process of this workshop. Following are these shortlisted ideas. Number 1, the KWL chart. This chart approaches for the knowledgeability of students. This is an abbreviation of know, want to know, and learning, where the students were told to shortlist the chapters they know, highlight the topics they are having problem in and want to know, and last to learn all the reduced topics without leaving any doubts, have crystal clear concepts. Second, the strategy we use is peer assessment MCQ session. The main focus in this workshop was on MCQs because they carry 50% of whole of the exam. The students were given different MCQs, and if they were having any problem or errors in it, they were given easy methods and MCQ tricks to solve the MCQs more effectively by their fellow classmates. The third strategy we applied is WhatsApp learning groups. The students who were involved in this workshop were included in WhatsApp groups which were segregated, that is boys and girls having distinct groups. Any query would suddenly look up to, and then appropriate answers were given then and there. This strong teacher and student duo helped a lot of students with their queries and problems. This pandemic, the system of study and education was thoroughly shifted to online system. Obviously, the students were not used to this system, and it took a lot of time for them to get adaptable enough. And as rightly as we see, teenagers tend to study with their own pace, which is only some time back of exams, with having weak concepts and constant fear of exams. So we as teachers and their instructors should be seen as a helping hand to them and help them whenever needed. God bless you. Bye for now.